to all. Today we are going to discuss the first quiz from the first class. So we'll look through the 5 different questions to revise the material. And to get and watch the classes, you can contact us via Gmail, LinkedIn, or Instagram. They have been put in the description. So to see the quiz and also questions, we'll also add the forms link, and you can check your knowledge beforehand and then watch the video for explanations. So let's start with the first question. The first question is about the correct variant for the difference between chemists and chemical engineers. So before going to look at the question answers, let's first of all define what is the chemist and who is the also chemical engineer. So chemical engineers apply the principles of chemistry, physics, and engineering to design, develop, and optimize the processes for large-scale production of chemicals, as you know. So they are involved in the design and operation of chemical plants, so where they work to maximize efficiency, safety, and profitability. So it means that chemical engineers, they can also collaborate with other engineers, scientists, and also chemists. But on the other hand, the chemists primarily focus on the composition, properties, behavior of substances at the molecular and atomic level. They are working in the labs of the plants, but mainly chemical engineers are found to be in the plant. Now let's look at the answers based on our discussion. As we see, the PhD no, co-working with chemists, it's fine. Working in the lab. Chemical engineers are co-working with chemists in the lab. This is correct, but chemists are working in the lab, are not working in the lab. They are required to be in the plant. So the most suitable answer here, it will be the third variant. Let's go to the second question. The second question says API stands for, okay. So in the context of chemical engineering, the API can refer to American Petroleum Institute. So this is a trade association representing the oil and natural gas industry in the United States. So actually the API sets standards and guidelines for various aspects of industry, including equipment sizing, processes, and also safety. Therefore, we'll look at the answers again, and American Petroleum Institute here, we'll take it. Next question, the third one. Chemical engineers are required to do some of them below. Choose all applicable variants. So you see, we have six different answers here. We need to choose the all applicable variants. Actually, in terms of technical knowledge, also additional to soft skills, but mainly we are interested in here the technical knowledge, technical requirements for chemical engineers. So in terms of technical knowledge, chemical engineers need to have a deep understanding of chemical processes. I mean, unit operations, equipment used in industrial settings. Also, they need to know about the process design and optimization. So chemical engineers should be skilled in process design, including conceptualization or feasibility analysis, detailed engineering. They need to also consider, as I have mentioned before, like safety, efficiency, environmental impact, also additional cost effectiveness while designing and optimizing the chemical process. So when we look at the answers, we'll take it like taking samples for lab. Actually, mainly chemists are involved for this process, like for this requirement, will not take it. So transferring PFD into PNID, that's correct. Conducting HAZOP study, yes, in the safety part. Creating cause and effect diagrams, it's also correct. Writing basis of design, yes, it's also correct. The last one, working with ETAP software. Actually, ETAP software is mainly designed for the electrical engineers and will not choose it. Let's go to the fourth question. EPC companies make money from. So first of all, what is EPC? EPC is like titled as engineering, procurement, and construction. We'll also have like EPCM, which is engineering, procurement, construction, and additional management. So this type of companies make money from various sources, especially from design of the plant. So when it comes to the production, the production will be the main facility for operating companies. And chemical lab samples, actually in most of the service companies, you can find it. The last question, choose the correct order. So you will be given like initial startup, construction, feed, procurement, commissioning, detailed engineering design, and plant is making money. This question is about like how chemical engineering project is carried out in different phases. So briefly, it starts with FEED, which is front-end engineering design, the first step. Next step will be detailed engineering design. Third one, procurement. Fourth one, construction, yes. Fifth one, commissioning. Sixth step is the initial startup. If startup and all of the steps are already completed, then plant is ready to make money. So let's go to the answers. Startup, construction, feed, procurement, no. Feed should be the first. Procurement, commissioning, detailed engineering design, no. Procurement, construction, commissioning, startup, yes, that's correct. That's why we'll choose the third variant again. So that's all from the first quiz. In the next quiz, we'll give explanations to process engineering drawings. Goodbye.